So it's been an interesting stay here. I think we might have a little bit of lunch before we leave. So I've ordered the Nasi Kerabu, which is probably one of the local dishes. It's a beautiful, they use a butterfly pea flour to color the rice blue. And we're having it with some chicken. We're just going to get one plate to share for Michelle and I. Look at this blue rice. So pretty. So pretty. We've got a little bit of egg, a little bit of lemon. Now, the idea should be, if that's a butterfly pea, if you squeeze the lemon, it should go red, right? Or pink. Change the color. Yes or no? Not seeing a change. Makes me wonder, maybe it's, may not be butterfly pea. Now, I'm surprised. It's not changing color, so I'm wondering if maybe they're using another product to make the rice blue. Is this a fish?
Yeah, fish is
Okay. With coconut, okay. So
you need to mix all of it.
mix it, but I'm tasting it one by one first. So it's actually a fish and coconut sambal. A little bit of chili in there as well. A little bit of heat, but not very hot. So these are little pandan pancakes, and I think with a sweet sugar inside. No, different. It's just like coconut and pandan, shredded coconut and pandan inside. It's very nice. And then here we've got, wrapped in a banana leaf, a sweet glutinous rice. And it looks like it's got coconut and sugar in the middle. Delicious. Tumpat. Tumpat Uptown. So starting to see more Thailand influences in this area. And we're coming, this is Uptown Tumpat. And we're heading to downtown Tumpat. Now, from what we understand, Tumpat is quite a small town. Oh, wasn't a place we were planning to stop and spend a great deal of time, although it looks okay. There's a few, but it's quite rural. And there are no real hotels here that we could find anyway, so we decided we would stay in Kota Baru. But we wanted to come down here just so we could start from the very top of the country. And we're very near now to our location. Okay, so we're getting off in the middle of nowhere. My friend and I were getting a picture. The taxi driver's looking at me like, what on earth are you doing? There's nothing here, and he's right. There is nothing. And the only reason we've come to Tumpat is really to cover the whole railway.
Yeah, you got to start at the beginning.
Got to start at the beginning. Couldn't miss this one or two stations. But we are in the middle of nowhere. Now this is why Tumpat doesn't have any hotels. Or not any known hotels, because there's nothing here. But a very small residential community. Hello. You have here for iced coffee? Down here? On this side, huh? Okay. Terima kasih, thank you. So the gentleman just said we can get coffee up here. Don't particularly want coffee, but we've got to find somewhere to spend the next hour or so.
Here.
On very far walking?
Okay.
Walking, jalan is okay? Okay, and here? Any restaurant or more?
No restaurant.
So ABC Cendol is this way. Okay.
ABC Cendol?
Yeah.
Go straight at the junction. At the junction there.
Yeah.
You turn right.
Turn right.
Turn right. Ra lường đó. Jacket out.
And this nice gentleman.
From Australia.
Australia, yeah.
Which part?
Melbourne.
Melbourne.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
And you from Tumpat?
I'm from Tumpat.
Ah.
And Tumpat also.
Staying in Tumpat.
Tumpat's very close to Thailand, yeah?
Yeah. Huh?
So you have a mix of Thai food and Malay food, huh?
Malay food. Okay, turn right.
So they have some cendol here, you think?
Cendol what?
Thank you, Paul. So we got a place, we got a nice ice cold cendol. Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you. These lovely guys. I like this. Oh, look. This is how you make cendol. Frozen ice, lovely and cool. What a lovely place. You know, everything turns out for a reason, right? This lovely lady, she's making, look, the ABC cendol, look, beautiful. Malacca, sweet Malacca topping. 2 portions, dua. So all we wanted, and this is the perfect dish for us. And there's a lovely breeze in this place.
And you've got them to take us back to the station.
Yeah, I think he's going to come and pick us up and take us to the station. We'll get a grab to the station. It's only
It's not far.
like
We could walk, but it's just
5 minutes this way. I'm really looking forward to this. She's making a beautiful job of it. Beautiful. Ah, thank you. Terima kasih. It's got sweet corn in here, fruit juice, kacang, peanuts. Refreshing. Good. Ice batu campur. Ice batu campur. ABC. It's not often in Malaysia you come to places where people want to take their photo with you because they don't see many tourists. There's going to be no tourists in this town, which is great. Sort of.
most people get the jungle train just to the town we've just been in.
Right.
They don't come all the way, or they don't start from here because of the lack of hotels and things. But you've got to start from the beginning.
Well, our mission has always been to do the whole train track from the south to the north, or north to the south. We cover the whole train track, which is what we are going to be doing. I think. Can you cross over to the trains to Thailand here?
No, you have to cross the border, and then from here you then get a taxi to the station, or you get off at the station before here.
That's the same as Padang Besar also because the rail track is a different size. So I think here in Malaysia they've got metre wide track, and in Thailand they have a wider track, I think. So the trains can't cross the border. But that may change. I think the new railway system they're bringing all the way down is going to have a singularity between it. We're going to wrap up filming in Tumpat for the moment because I'm going to do a live stream. I'm just charging up the phone so that we can do a live stream. We're going to try and do a live stream on the train. I might get Michelle to do some videos with the GoPro so that we have some of the, just in case the live stream doesn't work or it's poor quality. So we're going to put the big camera away. See you guys at Tanamera, the next stop.
This one. Okay. Thank you. We won!
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. You get there quickly. Come out a different way.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
We're going to be doing a live stream on the train. We're going to see if it works. And this is the shortest train journey we're going to do. So I thought I'd try and see if I can get the 5G to work. The train is setting off shortly. Tumpat railway station. Good morning. Good day, everyone. I am hoping that this is going to work. Man, I didn't realize it was going to be so noisy. Hot out there today, everybody. How are you? So this guy's going to radio to the front. Terima kasih. Thank you, man.
Destination station. This train
I might have a little walk down. I might go and get a coffee. I know I don't need another coffee, but I feel like...
You can take them down there.
This episode is sponsored by proper Coca-Cola with sugar in it. It's not sponsored. And then this morning we got and came to Tumpat, which has got not a lot here.
But it's the beginning of the train, or the end, beginning or the end of the journey, isn't it?
But what lovely people we've met.
Oh.
First
of all, your taxi driver wondered why.
The taxi driver looked at me like I was stupid because I put in a cafe as a stopping point, and when we got there, it was just a closed, empty husk of a place. And he looked at me, and he said, and he's very nice. He would have taken us anywhere, to be honest. And he said, "Is this it?" And I said, "This is it." And then we met these young lads. They were selling drinks by the side of the road, and I said to them, "Is there anywhere we could?" Malay, oh, we're crossing a river. Is there anywhere we could sit and have a nice cold drink? So he took us to a place. I'd asked him if there was any Cendol places, ABC, Cendol, and he took us to, I think, he got his car and drove us not far, a few hundred meters, to probably his cousin's place. And the girls there made us this beautiful Cendol. Cendol is like a shaved ice with sweet. Mine was ABC, so I had like sweet corn and red beans and rice and all sorts of things inside it, and a sweet gula melaka syrup. Anyway, the girls suddenly said, well, we were talking, between a bit of Google Translate and just pointing and things, and they said, oh, how are you getting to the station? Do you want a lift? And we said, no, it's not far, we'll walk. And they said, oh, it's very hot. And so packing away, we said, okay, thank you, we will. So these three ladies, but two of them, jumped on their mopeds. Michelle and I jumped on the back and we scooted off to the station. They were so lovely, weren't they?
They were. I beat you.
She beat me. I arrived at the station. Michelle was already off the bike, stood there.
I've just got in here from our live stream. A nice queen bed there. Yeah, but unfortunately it's just the flyover. Small bathroom. Sink, the shower,